Davlek, co-founder of Cloudgeni, an agentic cloud ops platform that helps you to manage your cloud infrastructure with the help of agents safely and reliably. One of the common things when working with infrastructure is ability for us to have a good overview over multiple clouds. And one of the common problems that we face is sovereignty, meaning how can we get control over where we store our data, what kind of providers we can use, and how can we manage our workloads when there is such a rich choice between different cloud providers and capabilities. Cloudgeni helps you to do that. First, of course, is having a good overview over what kind of cloud assets you have. Here is an example of the Azure account with few resources, and now we can use our agent to reason by providing the context of this cloud infrastructure for typical use cases. Everything from explaining the setup, how to deploy new things, and checking for compliance, security, FinOps, and other things. So in this video, we will go through how can we add additional cloud providers, and as well as private cloud and sovereign cloud providers to enable even more capabilities to give us freedom to be sovereign and get control over our cloud. So here I already created an integration with Exoscale, one of our partner clouds, where we can provide credentials to the agent to access the cloud. After it's been done, we can see, we do the scan of the infrastructure, and we can see what is available in Exoscale resource cloud. Here we see few VMs. What's the best part about this is that now we can use our agent to help us with setting up and migrating projects. For example, I had a repository with Azure resources, Azure demo account that I showed earlier, and from there I can ask agent migrate my Azure environment to similar capabilities environment on Exoscale. I can provide also links to the documentation, how landing zones are set up in Exoscale compared to Azure, and any supporting information. Going forward, this will be also available as base knowledge of the agent itself. So I already have a running session that where I already asked exactly the same question and gave the context of my existing Azure account and also the cloud on Exoscale. And after running session, it was able to set up a full Exoscale environment for me. So we can see here are several PRs that it created that I was already able to merge a series of work. And here you can see how Cloudgeni starts work. It first completed the first mapping from Azure to Exoscale with the necessary setup. It also did all the necessary tests and also set up pipelines for us to be able to validate the work, but also deploy it for us. And when it comes to infrastructure itself, it followed exactly the same setup that we had on Azure, and it used Terraform as well for it. So now that we have a full ready pull request, we merged it, and the agent will continue working on refining this work, and it's still continuing. So in fact, the environment that you see on Exoscale, this instance resources, they've been already generated by our agent, and our agent can also run pipelines, and it will run them until it gets green. So that means that's when it's finished, that's when it verified that the check happened. So now with this simple setup, we have a quick quick overview of our environments, and we can start doing other useful work with our agents.